Hey, wait a minute. The city tells us we've got $100,000 that we're losing every single day of the week. $1 million every time you turn a corner. We need to negotiate, we need concessions, we need to break the unions, and more importantly, we need to get the police and firefighters in line with their contracts. So how is it then that when TPPA sits down with the negotiating team from the city and is ready for a day-long negotiation session, that the city drops a proposal on the table and says, hey, we've got to leave. We've got something else to do. Well, that something else, at least for Theresa Gabriel, turned out to be standing in the One Government Center lobby, shaking hands with people and talking to them. I know because I saw it while I was there for the Take Back Toledo campaign. So is the city serious about solving this budget crisis, or is it just more rhetoric from the 22nd floor? If something needs to be done, it needs to be done now. And if you aren't going to do it, don't stand in front of the public and tell us that you're serious about getting us out of a $27 million hole, because it appears that you're not.